Hello folks, 13th of May, that's it. Yes, it's a Monday. Oh, my eyes won't open today. I won't want to go to work. It's Monday, alright. Here we are with our Oracle reading of the day. Yes. Brian Freud's awesome deck. Oh, by the way, yes. Should you decide you wish to like these videos, please click the like button. Yes, it's on the me facing the screen left hand side, and the subscribe is on the right. Yes. Yes, middle of the week, watch out for the full moon reading. I'll be doing that. My email address is down and listed below, and I'm currently looking for a website to put together so that I can actually collect money, do the readings, and go from there rather than using my email address. So we'll look for that to happen in the near future. Here we go. Brian Freud's deck, the Fairy Oracle. Guide for the day. Mr. Parrot, what do you say today? What are the major arts of being able to speak and be immaculate with your words? Believe it or not, is exactly the opposite. Being able to listen. Because if you're not hearing what's coming across, how can you possibly be immaculate with what you're putting forth? Listening is very much a key. When we go out in nature, if you have that in your ears, how are you going to hear anything? One of the major downfalls people have is those earbuds in your ears, listening to music. You see, because if you're listening to music, our man-made music, out in nature, you're missing all the music that nature provides. Because you can't hear it. You got earbuds in your ears. Listening is a key. Listening is very much a key to being able to be immaculate with your words. And Mr. Parrot says, it's time. You can even be aware of the body language that's coming forward to you, because that's also part of the words. If somebody's happy to see you, why shouldn't they give you a hug? What, you want me to stand in the doorway and go, oh yeah, coffee's on, help yourself. Go back and sit down? What kind of greeting is that? You see, being immaculate with our words is being immaculate with all kinds of different things. We have 7 senses we use in the physical sense. And being immaculate with our words is just one of 7. That means there's 6 other senses that group together with that. And we got to get immaculate with our word. All right? That's it. That's what the Parrot stands for. We'll talk to you later. Have a great day.